Time starts now.
All right. Hello, I'm Felipe. I'm a bit nervous, but I'll try my best. This is Hit That Changes. So basically, it helps you practice for improvisation in different jazz standards. Like, for example, let's take Autumn Leaves, and there's different exercises. Let's say I only want to play the chord tones, so basically like arpeggios and stuff like that. So I'm going to go next. And you can do free rhythm or lock to a specific subdivision, for example, quarter notes. And you can also record yourself, so you can share it on social media and stuff like that. So I'm gonna record the whole screen. Start. And I'm gonna try. I'm not very good, but no, I'm gonna do something random now. So it gives you like feedback. It's like, kind of like Guitar Hero, but for jazz, I guess. So then you can, it ends at some point. I'm gonna end it sooner now, right? But you can see the recording, you can share it with your professor or whatever. You can save it or discard it. I'm gonna discard. And it gives you like some feedback. And you can see, okay, I'm messing up here, so why? Just listen to it. Okay, I see why. And stuff like that. And what else? You can also, well, there's different levels. Like you can get up to giant steps, which is kind of one of the hardest. And if you want to add more stuff, you can do it here. You can do it from charts from iReal Pro. They have like thousands, so that's very useful. I'm gonna stop this. Or you can just do text, and you can actually use magenta. It will kind of supposed to play it in magenta in Jam. I'm gonna restart Jam real quick. It might not work, but I'm gonna give it a go. There we go. So it's working. So you can also record this. You can try to record this. Yeah, I did it kind of in a weird way right now, but it records that, and then you can save it, and you can use it for your songs, right? And you can publish to the app, and then you go here, and it's gonna be there, and you can improvise with your own song that you input it into the system. That's it. Thank you.